Good morning. Today I got a very dynamic video for you, and that all depend on the poetic devices. Everybody know that poetic devices to find out is so tough, but after watching this video, definitely you will able to find out the devices from the poem. Today I am explaining the poetic devices. Everybody know that really to find out the poetic devices from the poem stanza, it is so difficult. If we have no knowledge, so definitely we can't do it. So today I will try to explain it one by one. First of all, what is the definition of poetic devices? As you are seeing on your screen, that the poetic device are tools that a poet can use to enhance a poem meanings or mood or feelings. What is the meaning of that? Definitely, enhancement is so important in language also. If in a poem enhancement and the beauty in a poem is not there, so definitely the poem will not be called success. So the most common poetic devices are simile, metaphor, personification, alliteration and repetition. These all 5 devices almost in a poem you will easily get. So you have to find out. So I'm just going to explain one by one. First of all, I will try to explain simile. Simile. What is the meaning of simile? Similes mean is a kind of the similarity. Like and as. You are seeing this. The simile is used for comparison using the 2 words like and there is written this is like and as. Where the like and as you will find, definitely that is called the simile. Example I am giving you. First example, he is as intelligent as his brother. You can see as intelligent as his brother. So second, her eyes were as black as coal. Third one, his heart is like a diamond. Mean like. There is also written like. So where the like and as will be, definitely it is called the similes. It is called the similes. If we will talk about next one, the next one is called the metaphor. Metaphor, everybody know that. What is metaphor? What is metaphor? Metaphor, I'm going to explain that the metaphor. Okay. So this metaphor, there is the metaphor, and you can see the metaphor. Metaphor is a word used in place of other things. In place of other things. I am underlining it. And you must know about this. The place of other things. What is the meaning of place of other things? If you will see that the life is a kind of, everybody know, is the stage. So life, stage is written instead of life. So life is a stage where all people perform their roles. So what is the meaning of this? Life is used instead of stage and stage is used instead of life. So this is the same thing. The second position, if you will go, her hands are the wealth. Hands. Her hands are his wealth. Hand is wealth. So hand is used for the wealth and wealth is used for the hand. So in that case, it is called the metaphor. Where, again, metaphor is the word used in place of the other things. Place of the other things. Now, next is personification. What is the meaning of personification? First of all, you should know about that. Personification is meant by the person, the quality of persons, the quality of person. You can see this when any object get or takes the human quality. Person is the meaning of personification. Persons makes and convert into the personification. Mean takes the human quality is called the personification. When any object gets or take the human quality is called the personifications. Example, hard labor never deceive others. What is the meaning of hard labor? I mean, work hard is the quality. It is the quality. So that never deceives others. Hard labor never deceives others. Second examples, always love is blind. So love is a quality, is blind mean the love is used for the blind. When any object gets or take the human quality. So love is blind, love can't be blind, love has no eyes, but they are used in a poem that the love is blind. So it is a quality of. It is the quality of. That is called the personification. Now next is alliteration. Next is alliteration. What is the meaning of alliteration? First of all, I should tell you that alliteration, what is the meaning of alliteration? Alliteration mean when the consonant repeated. That is mean alliteration. Consonant repeated, it is called the alliteration. So alliteration, I will going to explain it. Alliteration, repeating consonant sound is called the alliteration. Consonant sounds are what? H, example is there. H, he. Hide, H-I-D-E. His, hand. HH is the consonant. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, Z. These all are the consonant. So he hides his hands in his jacket. So there I underlined or the marked on he, he is repeating, again and again. That is called the alliteration. In a second example, we can see that the plane pick a pineapple pickle. Yani ki, it's mean that P is the repeating word. That is called the alliteration. Alliteration. That is called alliteration. But be careful. Alliteration and repetition is the different thing. If we will see that the repetition, what is the meaning of repetition? Repeat, again and again repeat. The things will just repeat. That is mean repetition. So when the same or the same word or phrase used again and again, this is called the repetition. Okay, that is called the repetitions. Example, his grandmother was teacher because his grandfather was teacher, so his all children are teacher. So there is, the teacher you can see, his grandfather was teacher, then after, because his grandfather was teacher, now his children are teacher. So you can see here that teacher and teacher is, repeating again and again in a one sentence. That is called the phrase. But be careful. In a consonant, well, I just told you alliteration and repetitions. Differences is alliteration has only the consonant which repeats. But repetition mean the phrase is repeating. Phrase mean the sentence phrase is repeating. Suppose was teaching, was teacher, and teach. These are the very important, Next, second, if we will see that the example, judge, commanded, order, and order. There are the three words which are repeated. Order, and order. Order, and order. So these are the poetic devices. So which is very important, and I hope so you must get it. But in the next video, I will try to tell you about the more and more other poetic devices. Thank you very much.